So my name is Doug Agarwal. I'm the founder of Capital Commercial Investments. For the last 35, 40 years, we've been buying undervalued office buildings and repositioning them. We entered the Dallas office market in 1994 with our first purchase. We have since purchased probably around 40 buildings. I'm here today to talk to you about 4,200 Regents, but I want to tell you about the market and some of our experience and then talk about the building. The most important thing you need to know is that this airport is going to be on par with Atlanta as the largest airport in the country. And we are building a Terminal F. We've been under construction for 9 months. That terminal should be fully functional by the end of 25. Now, this airport is a huge driver of business, but it also has room for 1, 2, 3, 4 more terminals. 50 years, maybe 100 years worth of growth. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 assets in the Irving market over the last 15, 20 years. So we're very familiar with the landscape and we know what the rents and the tenants are doing here. One of the biggest things we purchased is the ExxonMobil headquarters. We got that in December 21st of 22, and it turns out to be worth a lot more than we thought. So we're excited about that. The building that we want to talk specifically about is called 4,200 Regents. It's built for Federal Express in 2000 under a 15-year leaseback. 1 year later, the developer, KDC, one of the highest quality builders in Dallas, sold this to the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi for $21 million. Its current replacement cost is between $40 and $42 million, and we're paying $9.3 million for it. Now, the unusual thing about this particular investment is we already have 3 tenants. Tenant number 1 is AAA of California. They bought this building from us in 2014 for $36 million to move their Texas headquarters here from California. They've outgrown that and they need another 75,000 feet, which is almost half of this building. We also have Zachary Construction wanting the ground floor of this bay, 14,000 feet right here, because they have a 7-year contract at DFW Airport. The building is in excellent condition and we have financing for $4 million at closing. We're raising $8 million. This building fully leased should trade for around $28 million. All the tenants that are in this submarket are paying between $1,650 and $2,250 rents. The tenants that are over here in this Cypress Waters are paying somewhere between 23 and 32 on newer buildings, and some of them have garages. The rental rates in this area are 16 plus, and we intend to open this building as low as $1,250 to attract all tenants that are considering moving. We've already mentioned to AAA of California that we would accept $1,350, which means they'll probably end up signing at around $1,450. Zachary has already agreed to pay $17 because they came to the building under the old ownership at the old ownership asking rates. The third tenant that we're working with is called Waste Management. They need 25,000 feet. Reason this is a very attractive investment is because it's a short-term investment. We don't think we'll be in this building 2 to 3 years. It could be 12 months and a day. If you have an interest in investing with us in this building, contact Rob Buchanan and get a reservation. We'd love for you to show this to your friends because this is as safe as it gets. We're only paying $57 a square foot for the building, or $2.5 million more than the land value. Thank you for listening.